today. So let's get into this video, alright? We're over here at Harbor Park today. Hopefully to do some good fishing today. Just to get out the house. Let's do it. Harbor Grove today, or Harbor Park, whatever you want to call it, on the west side of Louisville Lake Bridge. So we're gonna go out here and chill out for a minute. See what just might happen. Got a boat sitting over there. Well, the bells ain't gonna do us no good today with this wind blowing. We're about to go by sight and listen for the drags today. So hopefully it won't be too bad. Get on down to the bottom edge. Lake's a little low. Hey, ducky ducky. What's up, ducky ducky? Yep, not too bad. Oh yeah, water's choppy. I ain't gonna say choppy, but it definitely got some waves coming out of it. Yep. Ooh, I'm about to do some really good hard slanging to get this lines out today too. Look like, wow. Yeah, it's choppy. Yep. It is what it is, I guess. So y'all stay with me, cause we finna definitely put some lines up, put some lines out, and put some bait on these lines to see what happened today. So y'all stay with us, and let me get it set up for you guys. So y'all just hold on. I know it's a little windy and everything, but I think we're gonna be able to manage something today. The fish still eat when it's windy, so we know that much. So we just gotta get these lines out there and get it to them and see what they're gonna do with it. Y'all hold on, let me get set up. Woo, we gotta do a little hard throwing because that wind is kicking butt. That's not too bad, not too bad. All right, got the chicken breast. I got some old livers as well, so we're just gonna throw something out there and see what it hit on. Hopefully hit on the chicken breast and the chicken liver that I got, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see. I got plenty of it, plenty of it. All right, we got both lines set up, so let's just wait and see. Hopefully something's gonna hit our line. All right, let's sit and wait. Hopefully we get some hits. We got to be paying some attention because that wind is kicking them poles butt right now. Them bells probably ain't gonna help us. Only thing that's gonna help us in this kind of type of wind is a bending pole. You know you got something in the pole bend. So we're gonna see. I'm hoping everybody's having a good day so far. And I'm hoping we all gonna have a good day when I catch something. So y'all gonna be in with me when y'all catch it with me. So y'all gonna have to help me pull it in. I know it's something big out there. I know it's something big out there. We're gonna catch whatever it is out there. It's gotta be something big out there. That wind is doing the works today. It's blowing. Got the little water all choppy and everything right now, but I think we're gonna find something though. We should find something out there. A little too windy to bring the Pelican Bass radar out today, so I decided to just hit the banks up. No boat, I got a bank. Double B's, no boat, Got a bank. Really nice out here too. When I got here, it was showing about, I think about 76, 77 degrees, I believe. Maybe a little bit cooler. But with this wind blowing, it's really nice. Now this is a spot you can sit all day and all night. When it's like this, yeah, you can sit here all day. Enjoy the little breeze coming up off the water. Enjoy the little sound of the lake and everything. Then especially enjoy when you catch that big one. Reel that big one in. Get the weight on it. 99.5 pounds. Oh, that's gonna be nice. So fishing from the banks when it's windy like that or like this, will it have an effect on the fish? Especially like the bottom feed of the catfish, you know, channel cats, flatheads, things like that. Will it have an effect on the fish being able to smell a scent, see the food, or you know, whatever it is? Y'all come in below and let me know. I'm really curious, you know. Comment below and let me know. Alright? Alright. Hey, look at that. We got a hit already. One hit. One hit. Could have been a turtle. Could have been a turtle. That was a good hit. I might have to check that line. That was a good hit. That was a good hit. Yeah, that was a good hit. 1-1. Bye 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 bye. Yeah. He might have got that. I think I want to check that because he could have got hooked on the line. He's sitting still and shot. So let's just check it and just be sure. Let's just check this one because he hit that line pretty good and he could have hooked himself on that hook. So let's just check. Oh, I think I got him. No, I don't. I ain't got him. Nah. That was a fish. That was a fish hit that. Ain't no markings on that. Yeah, that fish hit that. Yeah, the fish hit that. Yep. No turtle bites on that. No turtle bites. That was a fish hit that line. Yep, that was a fish. We're going back, baby. Yeah, that was guaranteed a fish hit that one. I throw it a little bit to the left this time. Hopefully over there. The wind caught that one. That was a good hit. Man, I should have tried to throw it in that same spot, but the wind caught it. Plus, I threw it a little bit hard to the left, so it might have played a role in it too. Woo! That wind trying to whip my hat off, y'all. It's not really that hot for a hat today. That's guaranteed. Feels good without a hat on. Y'all want to see my bald head? Okay. There. I'm bald headed. Yep. Like y'all didn't know already. Yeah, we can do without this hat. All right. Just relax while we wait for the fish to bite. We're gonna relax by eating. Here, y'all have some? There you go. Thank you. Thank you for sharing with me. There you go. They good. Look, waves just coming in. I might as well relax, eat my chips. So when the time comes, when that fish hit that line, I be relaxed, got a little full, and now I gotta do my exercise. Now if a fish don't hit the line, I'm gonna be up here taking me a nap soon. It's just too nice not to take a nap outside like this. There we go. It's on there. It's on there. It's on there. Little big catfish. Putting up a fight like that. Little big catfish. He put up a big fight. Like he was really doing something. Really? He put up a fight. I thought we had something. Little big thing. See? A little bit of thing. You know, at least I caught one. That's the thing, I caught one. Hey, all right now. I caught one, so that's a good thing. Caught one hit over there, but caught one on this line. That's a good thing. Got me a little audience behind me as well now, so I gotta look professional from going forward. I got a little audience, and that was a 1 pound channel cards that I just caught. That weighed in about 1 pound, 2.5 ounces. We have to let it go. It's not up to weight. Thank you, audience. Here we go. That was a nice throw. Hopefully it got out there. Not a bad throw, not a bad catch so far. All right. We're gonna put our little bait clipper on, loosen that line up again. We're gonna sit back and chill again. I gotta get back to my food. I'm mad because he interrupted my break. The crazy part was it wasn't a big fish. Interrupted my lunch. Yeah. Guess they saw me catch that one catfish. They ain't gonna let that little boat drift over this way, a little closer to me. So, guess it is what it is. Drift on, baby, drift on. I don't care. Too many fish out there. But they could respect my lines, though. That's what they could do. Because now they're in my field of throwing. If it wasn't windy, I could probably get that far out. And if it wasn't windy, I'll still get that far out because I'll go right over the canopy. I'll go right over that little canopy, and if they get mad, hopefully they'll hook it and I'll snatch it and put a hole in it, or pull them in myself. Yeah. Yeah. Let me finish eating my lunch. My little snack, lunch, whatever we're gonna call it. Before I really got interrupted by that monster catfish. I got interrupted, y'all. And y'all believe that on my lunch break, that dang monstrous catfish hit my line like that? I had to stop eating and get that big boy. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure, and I know for sure, but I'm still not for sure, that little bitty catfish put up a fight, or was it because of the current that's up under her as well? Was pulling it, making it feel like it was something big. Y'all seen the pole bent over, right? Okay, I was just making sure it wasn't just me. But it just seemed like he was putting up a fight, or it was the current that was helping him to get away or something. I still got him. That's the main thing, I still got him. Now y'all carry on while I carry on with my little lunch. Y'all just hold on. Hope we got some more excitement coming. Ooh, that wind. That wind is something else. Hey, look at that. One more, y'all. One more. Come on. Come on, get on there. We gotta check the line. We gotta check this line. Oh yeah. He's on there. Yeah. Ah, dang it. That was a turtle. That'd be a turtle. Dang it. Oh, we're getting action, y'all. We're getting action. We're getting action. All right, let's get this back out there right quick. Just a little excitement going on right now. Just a little excitement. I think this time, if they say third time is a charm, I think we're gonna catch him this time. He hit that line right this time, we're gonna grab him. So we're 100% absolutely positive that the fish bites in the wind, and when the current is high like it is now, blowing like it is, they bite in the wind and like the current is. So yeah, we know 100%. We absolutely know that they be biting. We just have to wait until they hit the line. It's that thing that's called patience. When you're fishing for catfish, you just gotta have that patience. 100% patience. There you go. I think those are turtles. I think that is a dang turtle missing my line. Let this boy get on the line. We'll get him too. Turtles just like fish. They show and tell too. You get on my line, I'm going to show him to you, and then I'm going to tell you about him, then I'm going to let him go. I got plenty of time just to sit around today. Hey, we got one. He's a little bit bigger than that other one. So we got two. We got two of them. Bigger than. That's a beauty. He's a beauty. He's a beauty. Yeah. He's a nice one. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah. Two. That's two today. We're gonna call it two today, so we're good. Y'all sit back and relax, y'all. We doing something today. We doing something. Y'all just stay with me. Stay with me. Alright, look at you. Over that thing, on that sofa, going to sleep. Wake up. Wake up. If I can't sleep, y'all can't sleep. What's really going on? Y'all supposed to be out here helping me catch these fish. Y'all up there sleeping. Wake up. You gonna miss something. Alright, here goes Wednesday. Let's get. If I don't believe, I think that was the same identical spot. I think that was the same spot we just caught the second one in. Alright. We're doing alright today. Two so far. First one smaller than the second one. So the third one should be a charm, hopefully. I need something I'm gonna need to net with. That's what I want. I want to catch one of those fish I'm gonna have to use the net on. Yeah. That would make me kind of thirsty because he was putting up a fight like he was a big monster. I'm a fight, y'all. Come on now. You need a fourth and third. Fourth and... Y'all know what I'm trying to say, a third fish. Today. We done caught three for today. Woo. Oh my gosh. Oh, be careful. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. We done caught. be the third one for the day. We got a third one. That's our third one. Y'all, I got him. I barely missed him from hitting him in his eye. Oh, I'm so happy I didn't get his eye. Oh yeah. He gonna be sore. But I think he can still see out the right eye. But we got our third one for the day. But he's smaller than the first one, so I'm gonna just throw him back a little bit of baby one. So man, we doing good today, y'all. We doing good. We got our third one, so we good. So a little channel. Now it's a blue cat there. That's a blue cat. All right. Okay, let's sit back and rest and see what we get on the fourth one. Three fish today. I'm doing good. Doing good. 3 fish. Hopefully catch a fourth one and a fifth one. 2 small and 1 pretty good size one. I didn't weigh them up, but it was pretty good size, that second one. First one was small, then the third one smaller than the first one, so yep. Yep. Not too bad today, not too bad. Okay, just need a catfish to hit it for the 4th time. And we'll be doing alright if I get one for the 4th time. Got the duck family behind us. Say hey. Let's check out the duck family. See the little babies. Oh, little ducklies. Hey little buddies. Can y'all go get me a fish? One turned around like he knew what I was saying. Ah! Man, it's been at least a good hour since I caught anything from the last fish I caught, so it done slowed down. So hey, I'm finna go ahead and wrap it up. 3 today. 3, yep, 3. So that being said, I'm done. Y'all stay tuned until the next video. Make sure y'all like this video, comment on the video, and share it, please. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, Fishing with Daring 53s on the YouTube. Alright? Until next time, y'all stay up. Peace.